Good morning, students. Look at the blackboard. Sorry, look at the whiteboard. I have written a sentence. So, can you guess what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss about with you completing sentence. Completing sentence. So today I am going to discuss you how to complete the incomplete sentence. We have to complete the sentence according to the context. So first I am writing a sentence. I saw a boy. So how can we complete it? I saw a boy. I saw a boy. So we have to write it. Who was reading? I saw a boy who was reading. We can write it. I saw a boy. I saw a boy who was playing. So if we find person, then we have to complete the rest of the sentence with who. For example, I saw a man who was crossing the road. Who was crossing the road. If you find person, then we have to complete the next of the part with who, and according to the context you have to complete it. I saw a bird. So how can we complete it? I saw a bird. I saw a bird. It indicates animal. If you find animal, object, things, you have to complete the rest of the sentence with which. With which. I saw a bird which was flying. I saw a bird which was flying. You can write in this way. I saw a bird. I saw a bird which was black. Which was black. If you find object, animal, things, then you have to complete the sentence with the help of which. Is it clear to you? Okay. Now we are going to discuss another point. Ten a.m. is the time. If the sentence mentioned in time, then we have to complete it with the help of when. If it indicates times, we have to complete the sentence with the help of when. 10 a.m. is the time when I go to school. When I go to school. Then 1971 is the year. 1971 is the year. This is indicate time. So we have to complete it with the help of when. When the liberation or took place place. Ah. So in these two sentences we can find 10 a.m. is the time when I go to school because it indicates times. 1971 is the year, it indicates time, so we have to complete it with the help of when our liberation or took place. Now we are going to the next point. A classroom is a place. How can we complete? If the sentence indicate place, we have to complete it with the help of where. If a classroom is a place where we learn, many things. We can write in this way: where the teacher teaches, where the teacher is us. A classroom indicates place, so we have to complete it with the help of where because it indicates place. Another sentence: a mosque is a place. Now we have to begin it where we say our prayer. Where we say our prayer. So, if we find a place, we have to complete it with the help of where. Is it clear to you? Thank you very much. Then we are going to discuss the next point, so that we eat, so that indicates a purpose. We eat so that we may live. He reads so that he can pass. So the structure is after so that we have to write subject plus can, could, may, might. If the sentence first person is presented, we have to write can or may. If the first person is past tense, we have to use could and might. He went to Dhaka so that now we have to write subject. He could, could buy a car. So if we find so that we have to complete the sentence in this structure, we have to write the subject, then can, could, verb as a verb, then may, might. We have to use only one verb. If the sentence is present tense, we have to use can or may, and then another word. And if the sentence is past tense, we have to use could or might. So this is purpose. In Bangla we can say so that Jahate. So I think it is clear to you. Now we are going to discuss another so that dash. It's Bengali meaning এতজি is so weak that সে এত দুর্বল যে he cannot walk. So its structure, after that we have to write subject plus cannot, could not plus have. If the first person is present, interrogative present tense we have to use cannot, have. Then if the sentence is past tense, like he was so weak that, so this sentence is past tense, so we have to use it that he could not walk. First person is past tense, so we have to use could not. First person is present tense, we have to, after subject we have to use cannot. So I think it is clear to you. Since he was meritorious, as or since it indicates result. As he was meritorious, he made a good result. As he was late. So how can we complete it? As he was late, he missed the bus. As he was late, due to he missed the bus. No sooner had I reached the station. In Bangla we can say jete na jete, khete na khete. If we find no sooner, then we have to use or begin with the next sentence then. No sooner had I reached the station than the train left. No sooner had the doctor gone. So we have to complete the sentence with the help of them. Then doctor jete na jete. No sooner had the doctor gone, then the patient died. P-A-T-I-E-N-T, patient died. We can use another word, hardly. Hardly had I reached the station. The Bengali meaning is same. Jete na jete, khete na khete. Hardly had I reached the station. If we find hardly had, then we have to use or complete the next sentence with the help of when. When the train left. Hardly had the doctor gone. Hardly had the doctor gone when the patient died. When. Hardly had, we have to use when. If we find no sooner had, then we have to use then. If we find hardly, another words are here. Scarcely had. Scarcely had we reached the station. আমরা স্টেশনে পৌঁছতে না পৌঁছতেই সেম রুলস দেন হয়ে scarcely had the doctor gone. Scarcely had the doctor gone when the patient died. Same. So first we have discussed no sooner had I reached the station, then hardly, then scarcely. Now we are going to, I think it is clear to you. We are going to discuss another point. Unless you read. If you find unless, then the next sentence will be negative. Unless you read, যদি তুমি না পড়ো, you will fail. Unless you hurry up. Then we have to, you will miss the train. You will miss the train. Unless যদি না হতে প্রকাশ করা। Walk fast lest. Walk fast lest. Lest means পাশে ভয় হয়। বাংলা মিনিং হচ্ছে পাশে ভয় হয়। Walk fast lest. You have to use it. You should miss the train. Read attentively lest. Lest. You should fail. If you find lest, then you have to use a second person you, then you have to use should, and it's also negative sense. Although he is although in Bangla, যদিও, it indicates negative sense. Though or although he is rich, যদিও সে ধনী, he is unhappy. So this is an exceptional sentence. Though he worked hard, যদিও সে কঠোর পরিশ্রম করলো, he failed in the exam. Though he worked hard, he failed in the exam. যদি সে কঠোর পরিশ্রম করলো, সে পরীক্ষায় ফেল করলো। Now we are going to discuss another important point, conditional. If he invites, I will go. This is first conditional. Structure if plus present indefinite plus present if plus present indefinite plus future indefinite. If plus present plus future indefinite. If he comes, I will go. This is present indefinite. Then we have to complete the next sentence with the help of future indefinite. Second conditional, if he came, I would go. Structure subject plus would, could, might. Would, could, or might plus have. This is second conditional. If he invited, I would go. I would go or join. If he worked hard, যদি সে কঠোর পরিশ্রম করতো, he would pass. This is second conditional. We have to use this structure. I think it is clear too. Now we are going to discuss third conditional. If he had invited, if he had wanted, this is past perfect tense. If he had invited, I would have gone. If he had wanted, I would have helped. Him. So you have to remember the structure: subject plus would have, might have, could have, might have, plus verb plus 3. This is third conditional. Structure if plus past perfect plus perfect conditional. This is the first portion, past perfect. We have to complete it. First subject, then would have plus could have, might have, then verb with past participle. So dear students, today we are going to complete it. I am giving you some homework. Write down it in your exercise book. Homework. So you have to do it at your home and you have to show it next time. I saw a girl. Number two, the sun. The sun is so difficult that he reads more so that he has a cow. If he can. These five sentences are given for you. Do it at your home and say it in the next time. No more today. Many thanks for it. Thank you very much.